My name is Malin Moreau, and I'm working with Nola as a creative director.
My name is Nicholas Madsen, and I work for Superlab.
Nola is an outdoor brand focusing on public parks and residential areas, but also municipalities and streets, public spaces outdoors.
Superlab is a company that's more as an experimental design lab, where we look into the future of how we're gonna work and live. A lot of times we have research studies that we base our ideas around. And then we contact manufacturers like Nola and we present the idea to see if they think as crazy as we do regarding things. For instance, this project that we're doing with Nola right now, why isn't there any office furniture for outdoor use? Charlotte Petersson Troje, that's a PhD candidate within urban studies. She has been doing a 5-year-old long project with Malmö Stad regarding work outside and how the relations with us humans, what happens with stress and how efficient can we become. So she is involved in this project also.
The cities are getting more dense and the spaces gets smaller. So all the new houses usually have balconies or roof terraces, and the squares also, they also get smaller. So the need to go out and work and the need to go out during the day gets bigger.
There are two big things that happen regarding to COVID-19. A lot of people got sent home to work from their home, basically. And the need of working from distant places are much, much bigger. And now all generations have had the chance to try out work-life balance and that you can work, it's possible to work from anywhere. So we definitely believe that this is another solution, another possibility to actually not be inside in a small apartment working. You can go outside and get fresh air, be in the sun, and still do productive work.
You change your environment from indoors to outdoors. You don't need to be fixed in a certain place for long hours, which makes the body move better, and the minds are also getting more creative. If you want to sit in a chair or at a desk table in the city, you need to feel secure. You want to have a comfortable space, which isn't your own, but when you're sitting there, you should feel that you can easily see other people, you can have light, nothing is dangerous, and it's also bringing people together. That's not usually in the same office. And I also want this to be the possibility to make outdoor offices for everyone. So even if you have a job or don't have a job, you can go to this outdoor office in the city, which is there for everyone to use.